They are Maori people. Maori people were the first one. They were the people in New Zealand originally. And this dance is for the war. When they fight with another people, they do that for present themselves like a strong people. But maybe if you don't know them, you can know the All Blacks football team. So next one, please. The All Blacks is very famous team because they always start the game with the haka dance. And we are going to see how they do that. They dance always before
the game starts.
Because it's a fight against the other team. All Blacks is very famous. If you don't know them, I think you have to know them because it's very famous. You want to learn that? We can teach you. So, see us, look at us first, okay?
Let's go.
1, 2, 3. So do it with us. So this is haka. This is our dance for start to fight with another team, of course. Rotorua is a special place because New Zealand has a lot of volcanoes. So the volcano erupts sometimes, and a lot of years ago in Rotorua was an eruption, and this magma built the second biggest lake in New Zealand. This is hot water, thermal water. You can see it smelly a little bit like bad eggs, but don't worry because it's healthy. So you can enjoy, and you can see people going there during the summer, during the winter, and it's not cold because it's cold water. And we have plenty of money for enjoy these swimming pools. We are going to enjoy, of course, the swimming pool, and only $15 per person. And if you want to sleep there, it's only $20.